Accessibility to clean water and sanitation is limited in third world countries, specifically those within the African continent. For example, a staggering 42% of hospitals in these areas run and function without access to clean water. The width of the problem is spread worldwide. Not having the availability of clean water and sanitation applies to 1 in every 8 people. Out of the 17 Sustainable UN Goals, the problem fits under number 6, clean water and sanitation. The UN have a few goals in action already. One goal the UN wants to complete is ensure universal access to safe and affordable drinking water for all by 2030. This proves that this category aligns to the problem we would also like to contribute to fix. Inaccessibility to essentials like clean water generates many ailing symptoms. A common disease is diarrhea. Over 4 billion people suffer from this annually. It leads to around 1.8 million deaths, with 90% occurring with children under the age of 5. Other diseases can include fluorosis, trachoma, and arsenisis. If this problem is left untreated, we can only expect it to grow. The depth can generate diseases that could spread and affect an even larger number of us. Our solution to help prevent the issue is to have filtered pumps in every hub of African villages that changes the dirty water into clean water. Therefore, when the village brings back the dirty river water and are able to pour it into the filter, it will create clean, usable drinking water. Another idea to deal with sanitation is to have a water recyclable set of showers in these villages as well. To best describe this, it would be a shower you'd see on a beach to clean the sand off you. However, there will be a water source under the shower that allows the water to constantly recycle and cleanse itself through filters. This will save water as well as provide sanitation and clean water to cleanse the people in need at a push of a button. The solution addresses the fact that the water is dirty and polluted.
One information system that is involved in this process is enterprise resource planning. This is defined as an integration of departments at all levels of an organization into a single IT system. This relates to the solution to help prevent the limited amount of clean water and sanitation in third world countries, because it involves an integration of departments to work together, which is what we will need to accomplish as we distribute our filters across countries. Using enterprise resource software, we will be able to process core ERP components such as human resource data and available production and materials management data and convert it into our filters, thus making sure we install the proper technologies which are easy to understand for the African villages to use.
Based on the research, this solution is better than existing solution because the filters are easily accessible. The fact that we haven't come across a recyclable shower means that this initiative will be original and contribute to the sanitation of those who need it. The use of technology delivers value by providing people in need with clean water. It helps them study the water in terms of recycling it in the showers. More water then can be contributed to the wage for other processes like cooking. It can be measured by the amount of people who suffer or are affected by dirty water. If the number decreases, then the KPI is working.